Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get the Magma lantern in the new Fish It Roblox update. So the Magma lantern is the ultimate items in the new update. It has its new accessory to your avatar. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get it easily. So let's equip it first. This is to see how it will look like. So this is how the lantern will look like. So as you can see in here. And to get it, you just need to finish a mission from the Kohana event. You can here go to the Kohana events, and here you can just finish this one. You need to catch 2 Magma piranha to get the Magma lantern as the reward. So if you want to get it, you can just finish this one. That's basically it. I hope this one will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.